In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a low-size video in Premiere Pro while maintaining good quality. First, with your project ready to export, click on the Export button. This will bring you to the export settings. Now, give your file a name and then click on the blue link next to the file name to choose where you want to save your video. Next, we're going to change the format. By default, it's usually set to H.264, but we want to switch that to H.265. H.265 provides better quality at a smaller file size, making it ideal for reducing the video size without losing too much quality. Many people just like me won't have this option, so you can skip this step. Now it's time to refine the settings. Open the Video tab and click on Match Source. This option will automatically set your export settings to match the original video, ensuring everything stays aligned. After that, click on the More button to reveal some additional settings. Here, make sure two important boxes are checked. Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. These will help maintain the highest quality during export. Next, let's focus on performance. If your computer supports it, make sure hardware encoding is selected. This will speed up the export process and help keep the file size smaller. Now comes the most important part, adjusting the bitrate. Under Bitrate Encoding, choose VBR 1 pass. This is the best setting for reducing file size while keeping a good quality video. To further reduce the file size, look at the bitrate settings below. You'll notice the estimated file size in the corner. Lower the bitrate to reduce the size. For example, if it's set to 50, try reducing it to 10. You'll immediately see the file size drop significantly, maybe even to 1/5 of the original size. But be careful not to lower it too much, as it could affect the quality. A good tip is to check the bitrate of your original clip. Find the file on your computer, right-click, go to Properties, and then Details. Here you'll see the original bitrate. If it says, for example, 5 megabits per second, set the export bitrate to something close to that. If you've added effects to the video, it's a good idea to set it slightly higher. So, if the original bitrate is 5, you might want to set it to around 6.5. Once everything is set, click on Export, and you'll have a smaller file size with great quality. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps with your exports in Premiere Pro.